The live deck wirelessly connects to the aircraft and provides up to 1080p 60 FPS aerial live video. Turn on the remote controller, aircraft, and live deck. Press the aircraft pairing button. The green indicator light will flash quickly. Next, press and hold the live deck pair button until the green indicator light flashes quickly. The indicator light will change from flashing quickly to flashing slowly when the live deck and aircraft pairing is complete. With the aircraft on and paired to live deck, connect live deck and display device with HDMI cable. Select the appropriate HDMI input on display device, and the live drone video will be displayed. Connect live deck to a mobile device with USB cable, then open Autel Explorer app and select Smart Photography to display the live video feed. Connecting live deck in a computer with network cable. For Mac OS, first set the static IP address and the gateway. Next, open a video player which supports RTSP network video streaming, such as VLC. The recommended cache setting is 30 milliseconds, and enter the RTSP stream address, and the live video feed will be displayed. Windows system also uses the same IP, gateway, video stream settings. Broadcast for an external time by plugging into an outlet or an aircraft battery through the charger. Thank you for watching.